So the pipe burst right there because of these freezing temperatures. So I'm going to show you these really cool SharkBite pieces that you can use to fix that. The water was spewing everywhere. Look at that. It's completely frozen to the ceiling where it was spewing out in this carpet. It's all wet. Nice. This is going in the trash. Okay, so check this setup out. This is where they have the water running to the refrigerator right there, all the way up the wall. This is in the garage. The refrigerator's right here. All the way over here to this side. And then it goes into the wall right there and then connects to the faucet, the kitchen sink faucet water supply with a splitter. Genius construction of this, just top notch. All right, so this is the little guy we're using today. $5.88, I think, at Lowe's. So you take this little SharkBite piece and you press it into one of the sides. When you press, and then you kind of pull out a little bit so that it gets a tight grip on there, and then that sucker's not coming out. Now, they make these in lots of different sizes. They even make them in sizes that's different. You know, on one end, it's smaller on one end, bigger on the other end. So you can custom fit this, custom fit that to whatever pipe it is that you're fixing. But you just press it in there, and then that's it. It's fixed. $5.88. Yeah, and someone needs to clean around here. Look at this.